Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Ultra and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find sound and vibration section. Then in this right section, let's tap on ringtone, and here we've got pre-installed options from which we can choose. At the top we've got also the option silent, which means that after choosing it your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call, and here the plus icon, which means that you can enter your own files. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, you will be able to set it as a ringtone. In order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to tap on it and you can check whether you like it or not. Oh, I can do it right here. So basically this is how it works. Let's pretend I want this Cosmos to be set. Just make sure that the option like use is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.